The reasons I come here is because I'm not 25 anymore, and there's a lot of stuff going on with my body. Right now, it's mostly been my legs, and I want to feel like I did when I was younger, and I feel like I have some limitations, and so I wanna feel good.
Right.
I want my body flowing. I want the chi flowing.
Physical therapy before? Or?
Yeah.
And did it help? Or so what are some of the differences between what we do together and versus physical therapy?
Well, if I could, I'd work with you every day. Because I do feel that, my body responds to what you do. It's very different than going and getting a massage or going and get physical therapy. And it's kind of not easy to explain, but it's easy if you experience it, of how your body feels afterwards.
Before we get started, is there anything, you mentioned your legs?
Yeah, so today I'm feeling very run down. The last 7 days I've been helping somebody, and so today I feel very run down. My legs are challenged, and I would like more of a relaxing type work. You can check in with my body and see what you come up with, but my body's been very stressed by a workload that I took on for a week, so I need to just come down.
Okay, sounds great. Well, I think we're in the right place. Would you like to start face up or face down?
Face up.
Okay, well, let's do face up.
I don't compare it to massage. It's energy and deep, like joint opening. But it's energy, it's moving the chi in my body. Like, our chi gets stuck. And so by what you're doing, you're making the chi energy flow again so that we can have more movement.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it's like balancing out the body. I feel like it's like a 1 hour meditative experience of me just having you work on me, and it's like, yeah. The way I also think of it is the faucet or a hose. You turn off the water can't flow. Turn on the water can flow, and this is the same technique. Same way as you think about it.
Exactly.
Energy, it needs to flow.
Exactly. And this is, so like, just like you showed right there, like if we're going like this is like turning off the faucet.
Yeah.
Holding tension, so I help you to feel like, oh yeah,
it's open.
Maybe my hands were a little bit tight, so I can relax them.
Yeah.
Feel that openness.
Yeah.
Good.
Thank you.
Good. Well, this is the oldest known form of bodywork in the world that I practice, called Tway Na. So it's pretty tried and true.
Don't know anything about it.
Isn't that funny? I'm convinced we could teach it to 10-year-old kids. Like, it's not difficult, right? It's
about 5-year-olds.
You could start teaching them at 5.
5 needs to do some of it.
Well, I mean, a 5-year-old could do this and can learn this.
Yeah. This
simple stuff.
Going down your leg.
Right?
Yeah.
Not complicated at all. Next summer, 2026, we're going to have retreats here on the beach in El Capitan State Beach. So I want to teach this stuff to anybody who wants to come out. And please, love it if you'd be there and your demonstration body, if anything. And here is a very fast time lapse of the session we did together. You can see the power of joint opening Tway Na. This is what led her to make those comments, seeming very pleased with the work that we did together here. It takes a lot of work because healing is not easy, but it is free if we know how to meet nature halfway, and I'll teach you if you go to healingisfree.com.